Hey YouTube, in this video I'm doing the disassembly of this AKASO, I don't know, it's this kind of unknown brand, AKASO Brave 7LE. I assume this is the GoPro Hero knockoff. I don't know, it was brought to me by a customer that they had the battery connector knocked off by the battery inserted the wrong way. I guess there's no safety or the feature that would prevent it, so most likely this is going to be a common issue for these cameras. So I took it apart to solder back the connector. I'll probably have to use some epoxy glue too, so it's held in place properly. I mean, I'm not sure if it's gonna do it, but I'll do what I can do. But anyway, I was looking at some videos on taking this apart, and I saw the guy removing the lens, the camera lens. So this is not necessary to get this board out. You don't have to remove the lens. So I did not touch it. The lens is in place and all sealed. So all you have to do is basically disconnect that little connector right there, right here. I mean, that's like, this is the only one that's kind of has some glue on it. Hello. Hello. So I got distracted by a customer. Anyway, so basically disconnect all these cables. Disconnect. Oops. Gotta be careful not to scratch anything. So disconnect that little cable, that cable, this cable for the camera, this cable here, and I think I believe this is probably the Wi-Fi connection, antenna connection. And this cable, that's the only cable basically that has kind of glued to the board, but it's it's easy to remove, easy to disconnect. Okay, and then just kind of pry it out from the sides. I'm gonna try to put it back, because it does kind of have some kind of like holes in the board and the posts, plastic posts. So you want to make sure it's kind of undone from those posts, and then you kind of carefully remove this. Yeah, so you just have to put back all the connections. Just like that. See? So it's back in place. So you undo these connections, undo all this stuff. So you can easily take it out and put it back on. It's holding by these two cables. That's only soldered. I mean, it can be unsoldered and soldered back on. But anyway, so you just kind of pick it up from those posts and carefully, like it's stuck a little bit here, kind of twist a little bit. Just don't force it. Let me. Wow. Here we go. Okay, so that's it. And the easiest way I found to open this thing, when it's all in place basically, and that plastic piece is in place, is to use the blade on the side to pry, to make a little bigger gap. So so you don't damage anything. So as you can see, there's no damage, absolutely no damage. It's like some people going and scratching and making nicks and stuff in plastic. I don't like that stuff. So all you do is just you insert a little blade here, kind of here, twist it a little bit to make a bigger gap, and then I use plastic guitar pick, insert and go around, and it just unhooks. All the little connectors gets unhooked and you don't damage anything. You can put it back together and it's gonna be factory. Okay, so that's like the little trick here. As I said, you know, because I saw, you know, I took a couple, you know, I took a look at one video. The guy was actually, in order to remove the board, he was unscrewing the lens, but the lens is kind of sealed inside. There's this, you know, it's kind of glue around, so it's because it has to be watertight. And by doing that kind of stuff, you know, you know, you can introduce dust inside, you know, the sensor, and you know, it's gonna be not watertight. So, but as I said, you can just leave it alone, not mess with it, and just repair the battery connector, because I believe this is a pretty common issue, because you can insert the battery any way you like and knock off the connector. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and have a lovely day. Bye, guys.